Hi, it's Anna with WTI. Are you looking for seamless Wi-Fi throughout your house? This mesh router by Tenda is very nice, easy to set up. It has 3 nodes that come with it. So you have the primary one and then 2 others that you can put throughout your house. We set it up in my in-laws' house, and my father-in-law has a shed out back, so we wanted one out there so he has nice Wi-Fi out there as well. But it's so easy to set up. Once you get the initial node set up, the other 2, all you do is plug them in and they start talking to the primary node. So there's not a lot of setup. You can rename them in the app, which is huge selling point to me on this router. Their app, or you can use the Wi-Fi, have an account there, is so user friendly. You can set parental controls. You can change your Wi-Fi password easily. You can change between 5 and 2.4 gigahertz. You can set up a guest Wi-Fi network. It's just very user friendly. So if you're looking for some Wi-Fi routers to spread your Wi-Fi throughout all of your house, this one has great reviews and the app makes it so adjustable for anyone. And that's my point of view.